Welcome back to my channel mga kabalads, no? For today's video, so magmukbang na po ta mga kabalads kay ting paniud to naman. So crunch time crispy fried chicken ni siya mga kabalads og rice unya Pascual yogurt nga strawberry mga kabalads og Uncle Bro nga Panda Pearl milk tea niya lansones. That's it. By the way, shout out din nila ni Nel Colets Vlog, RG Kupol Vlogs, Parin Pages, Lonas Tipid Ulam, Jima Padayhag Moral Vlogs, Tinyanti 143 o kang Team Katapang Vlogs. Also to Ejin Sirwan Vlogs at Joy Bunso at Manargitay Vlog Official at Irene 23 at RCBT 2499 at Angelo Daitol 4589 at Romnick Touring Vlogs 7200 at Jela TV Official Vlog 1920 at Rickson Butalid 5860 at Tada Lyrics 5414 at Remark Liena 6076 at Sobrio Marlo 40 o kang Kuya Iting Vlogs. That's it. At General Vlogs of Team Kabalads, itadakimasu.